Are you struggling to make any money online? Have you tried those boring survey sites or watched some stupid videos only to get paid a few cents for watching, let's say, like 45 of them? Have you been taken to the cleaners trying to sell junk on eBay? Are you just tired of the rat race and need a breath of fresh air? Well, in this video, you are going to learn to fire your boss, get your bills paid, and learn how to break free. Let's learn how right now. Hello, and hope you are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money for just a few minutes of work that could last a lifetime. All you have to do is this as many times as you like. Do it as many times as you like. Then you can sit back and relax while making money in pure passive income. This method basically works worldwide. So this method today that I will be showing you uses two websites. The first site is... Hello and welcome to the video. A few instructions before we begin this tutorial. Number 1, do not skip ahead because you might miss a crucial step in the instructions that could get you confused, mad, and blow up. Okay, well maybe not blow up, but you know what I mean. I will guide you step by step, so do not skip ahead. Number 2, if you need to pause this video in case you are taking notes, please feel free to do so. Number 3, turn off all distractions, close out of all other programs, and turn off your phone and pay attention. And as always, please like this video if you love the content. I know you will. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I load up a new video. Leave a comment and share this with everyone on social media. That would be tremendous. I would really appreciate that. Okay, with all this, let's jump into the video and learn how to make money right now. Is called Cafe Press. Well, what is Cafe Press? Well, Cafe Press is an American online retailer of stock and user customized on-demand products. The company was founded in San Mateo, California, but is now headquartered in Louisville, Kentucky, along with its production facility. In 2001, CafePress.com won the People's Voice Webby Award in the commerce category. So it is a legitimate site. So what you want to do is to create an account, which will be over here, and then you want to go over to, what I did was very simple. It was just go over to the Help Center, and then you want to click on Creating and Selling. Okay? So there's a whole bunch of different topics that you can go through here. I'm not going to waste time on this video to show you. You can go through this yourself, but what you want to do is hit get started, and if you're ready to start selling, then click here, start selling. And basically all you're going to do is create and upload a design, and then they do all the work for you and you make the money. Alright, so what you want to do is the next step is to hit add designs. Alright, so here's a design that I've already uploaded. So once you upload a design to a t-shirt, it's on here for good. So there's all design, different types of things that they could do, custom products, uploaded and things of that nature. The departments, well, let's look at clothing. Okay, nothing, no matching designs available. But I hit it for all departments. So I go ahead and I click that, and then I say view products. So you can have them on stickers, you can have them on clothing, you can have them on accessories. Let's just do clothing. So add products. So you can do all sorts of different things here. You can do men's polo shirts, t-shirts, baseball shirts. So let's do a women's V-neck plus. Okay, so you could do that. You could add it to this, that, and the other thing. So all sorts of different things. So, or you just hit select all, which is probably the easiest way of doing it. The more designs that you have on these products, the better. So I just hit select all. All right, and then create selected products. So it goes through all of that. Now 46 products have been successfully created. So when someone buys this, I get paid. How cool is that? So where do you get these images? Well, you get them from over here called Free PNG Images, which is royalty free. I'm not going to go through all this, but you need to sign up for an account over here, and for free accounts you can only upload 2 images per day. Correction, you can only download 2 pictures from that site. Then you upload it to Cafe Press. The great thing about this strategy, guys, is that it's completely free and there's no upfront investment except for a little bit of time. Another cool feature is that your designs stay on the platform, so who knows? I might not get any sales this year, but I may get 20 next year. It's a numbers game. The next great thing is that it's passive income and you don't have to market anything. They do all of the work for you, but you can market it on Facebook if you so desire. But there's a big but though. It's worth mentioning. This isn't going to make you rich, and you may not see any revenue for several months, maybe not at all. Let's be realistic and honest here. In order to make this work and have a better chance of making money, you need to stay consistent and upload 2 images a day to Cafe Press. You need to make your design available for all products they have and not just t-shirts. But if you have extra time and enjoy doing this, it's a good way to add an extra revenue source. Well, that's it for today's video, and hope you got some valuable information on how to make some extra money online. Please click on the like button to jog the YouTube machine. I'd appreciate it. And please also subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you can get notified when I upload a new video. Please also leave a comment down below and share this with everybody you know. In the comments, let me know where you're from. Maybe I can find something that works in your country. Thank you for watching, and go make money now. Have a great day, everybody. See you in the next video.